हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय। आज का वीडियो थोड़ा डिफरेंट होने वाला है, आपको पता लग ही गया होगा क्योंकि आज का बैकग्राउंड डिफरेंट है। मैं जनरली रात को शूट करती हूँ, आज सुबह है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माय एंटायर DIY हेयर स्पा रिचुअल विथ यू गाइस एंड without any further delay, let's get the video started. But before starting the video, please like this video in case you prefer liking it, and share this video because it's totally free, and subscribe to my channel in case you have not subscribed yet. So without any further delay, let's get the video rolling. So guys, as you can see that I don't have any makeup on, and I've just washed my face with a cleanser and brushed my teeth, put on a toner, put on a moisturizer and a lip balm, and I've come to vlog. So it's been 2 days since I have given my hair a wash, and as you can see they're very dry and they look damaged, but it's not. I've just shampooed my hair 2 days back, so this is the condition post 2 days. I wash my hair every 2 days, and I personally believe you guys also should not shampoo every single day. But yeah, अलग अलग शहरों में अभी अलग अलग ह्यूमिडिटी लेवल होता है। कोलकाता में बहुत ह्यूमिड रहता है all the time of the year. But apart from the winter, like people sweat a lot. There's no dry heat, but you'll see people sweating a lot here because this city is very close to the sea. And yeah, so before beginning this hair ritual, I would really like to state that this video is very close to me because I do this almost once every 2 weeks. You can also try this out once every week if you want to see the results, because this is a ritual that won't cost you a lot of money, and yet they'll give you very nice beautiful hair.
A very important part in treating your hair is oiling them, and I'm using the Parachute Advanced Series Hot Oil Treatment. And you need to make sure that the components you're using in your oil are also organic. No mineral oils are there. This oil has hibiscus in it, and another very important factor is using a white tooth comb. Whether you are having straight, silky or coily hair, doesn't matter, but you need to make that. Divide your hair into 2 halves. Start combing out all of your tangles. Before oiling, make sure that you are having no tangles in your hair. So I have divided my hair into 2 halves. एक half को मैंने rubber band से बांध लिया है, and you need to make sure that you are not making very tight or very harsh moves. I needed this spa because मेरे बहुत बाल गिर रहे हैं, and please pardon my face. It's a bit grumpy at this point of time because it's 7:30 in the morning. Because अगर मैं अभी नहीं करूँगी तो फिर the sunlight will bother me, and my skin is very sensitive to sunlight. So yeah, comb out all your tangles. और मेरा इतना बाल गिर रहा है, you guys won't believe it. Every time I am combing my hair, like 1, 3, 5 सब prime numbers मेरे बाल आ जा रहे हैं. So yeah, there's my tiny little, not tiny but yeah, then again वही देखो कितने बाल झड़ रहे हैं मेरे. shit यार. दोनों साइड एक साथ करने ना जाएं, एक साइड पहले कर लीजिए. once you're done with one side, then move on to the other half. So you need to make sure that the oil is penetrating deep into your scalp, and मैं अभी ऐसे अप्लाई करती हूँ मेरे बालों में हेयर ऑयल. So you can have your own respective way of oiling your hair, but make sure that the oil is penetrating deep into your roots, and massage them thoroughly. I mean, keep on massaging them at least for 10 minutes. गाइज प्लीज़ पार्डन माई ग्रम्पी फेस बिकॉज मेरे आईज और मेरा स्किन थोड़ा पफी हो जाता है सुबह को. एंड वंस यू डन विद द फर्स्ट हाफ, फॉलो दीज ऑन द सेकेंड हाफ एज वेल. Just keep massaging, massage and massage in circular motions, in straight motions. So make sure that the blood is getting circulated throughout your scalp. Once you're done, you roll out your hair into a bun. So for this hair mask, you will be needing 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Then you will be needing a spoon. This powder, so this is a very nice powder. This powder is made up of neem, bhringraj, hibiscus, amla, shikakai, and I guess jatamansi powder. So I have purchased this from online. I'll share the link down below. You'll be needing 8 tablespoons of milk. Please you purchase this powder on my recommendation. Please mix this powder with the milk upon your own requirement. I have long hair, hence I'll be using 3 teaspoons of powder. Otherwise, if you have mid length, then you can use 1.5 or 2. Now keep mixing this and keep mixing this until all the lumps are resolved, because if you have lumps in the pack, then it will be very difficult for you to apply it on your hair. Use 2 eggs if you have long hair, otherwise use 1, and avoid egg if you have a problem with its smell. You can replace it for yogurt. Here starts the application process. So use a t-shirt that you don't use normally, old one. Use a clutcher because you need to tie your hair into 3 halves. I'll show you in this video how to do that. So divide again your hair into 2 halves. एक हाफ को आप रबर बैंड से बांध लीजिए, and in the other half you divide that again into 2 other halves. So this half that you won't be requiring at the very first moment of application, you need to tie that up with a clutcher so that it doesn't come over all of your face and doesn't bother you. Start applying the mask through your roots because इसमें जो पाउडर्स हैं वो हेयर लेंथ से ज़्यादा हेयर रूट्स में जाने चाहिए, because our aim is to make our hair thick. So unless and until our roots and our hair follicles are thick, बाल थिक होने में बहुत मुश्किल आ जाती है. So you can use other ready-made masks, but I will use that. I'll be use it post my shower once I'm done with the shampoo, because fragrance मुझे अंडे का इसमें से दूर करना है, तो I'll be requiring to use a very fragranceful hair mask again post the shampoo. So but before that you need to make sure that you're using organic hair hair mask, whether it's made up of yogurt or honey or egg. Use it as per your hair requirement and your hair type. In case you are having dry hair, use egg yolk. This entire application process will be a bit messy, so don't forget to wrap your hair with a plastic and make a turban, or use a shower cap. I don't have a shower cap. I'll be purchasing it soon from Amazon, but before that काम चलाने के लिए I'm using plastic so that the residue doesn't keep on dripping.
हाय गाइज, आई एम बैक. मेरा शैम्पू कंडीशनिंग दोनों हो गया है. कंडीशनर नहीं, मैंने एक हेयर मास्क यूज किया था. तो जो शैम्पू मैंने यूज किया था वो अंडे का स्मेल वगैरह सब दूर करने के लिए, और बालों में से जो भी DIY हेयर मास्क था वो क्लीन करने के लिए, वो हर्बल एसेंस का है. दिस इज द हर्बल एसेंस रिपेयर आर्गन ऑयल ऑफ मोरक्को शैम्पू. इसका फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत अच्छा है. SLS फ्री दो ये नहीं है, बट फिर भी बहुत ही अच्छा शैम्पू है. And the hair mask that I am currently loving and I'm currently using is the Squash Cough Spa Essence एनरिचिंग क्रीम मास्क फॉर डैमेज्ड हेयर। 500 ml का टब है ये, 570 रुपीज में आता है। MRP इसका 600 है, बट आपको ये नायका में 570 से लेके 540 में आ जाएगा। एंड वंस माई हेयर इज अ बिट डैम्प, तब मैं यूज करती हूँ लिव ऑन क्रीम। सो दिस इज द लिव ऑन क्रीम फॉर कर्ली हेयर, इंटेंस हाइड्रेशन, सुपर स्मूथ कर्ल्स, कंट्रोल स्ट्रेस, वेल डिफाइंड सॉफ्टर कर्ल्स, एंड दिस स्टिक्स true to its claim. Believe me guys, I mean this is amazing. You can see my hair, बाल बहुत स्मूथ हो जाएंगे एंड फ्रिज नहीं रहेगा। आपकी कर्ल्स, अगर आपकी कर्ल्स है तो कर्ल्स बहुत अच्छे हो जाएंगे। इन केस यू आर पर्सन who uses or who has straight hair, I would not recommend this. I would recommend Matrix का serum और Matrix का there is this leave-in conditioner that is available in Nykaa, आप वो भी use कर सकते हैं। As you can see, my hair is quite smoother now. I mean the curls are defined. मतलब सुबह में जो मेरे बाल की हालत थे तो अभी बहुत अच्छे हो गए हैं। As you can see, it's quite good. So our aim and our motto for this entire hair spa is to make your hair look and become thicker। वॉल्यूम बढ़ाने के लिए, हेयर फॉल रोकने के लिए there is a separate hair mask, but I personally feel जब आपका डैमेज कंट्रोल हो जाता है, जब आपका हेयर थिक हो जाता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली हेयर फॉल बहुत कंट्रोल्ड हो जाता है। तो follow this and let me know in case this works for you guys, and in case you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon down below in case you want to receive any notification from my channel. Till then, take care and have a great night.